Whenever people ask me for some nasihat at an airport, then I tell them there's no need for nasihat at an airport. Look at those two boards, arrival and departure. Arrival and departure, what more nasihat do you want? We arrived in this world. Does anybody have any doubt that he hasn't arrived as yet? So we have arrived in this world. Now it's a question of departure. A person sometimes is sitting in the first class lounge, sometimes in the business class lounge, and sometimes he is sitting in the ordinary lounge, where it is sometimes crowded. Doesn't have place to sit also, sometimes he has to stand. He has to sit on his bed. He has to sit on the floor. So the same kind of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has got in this world. That there are people who have got good homes, good cars, plenty of money. There are people who have got less than that, and there are some people who don't have. But whether that person is in the first class lounge, or whether he is in the business class lounge, or whether he is sitting on the floor, everyone's eye is on the departure board. That person in the first class lounge will make use of the facilities that Allah Ta'ala has provided for him. It is not haram to make use of those facilities. So if a person has got money, he is going for Umrah, he is going for Hajj, he is giving to the poor and needy, he has got a good car, he has got a good home, but he is earning halal and he is spending in right causes, so he is in the first class lounge. But he too mustn't forget that there is a departure board there. And the person who is sitting on the floor, or is sitting on his bag, or he hasn't got a place to sit, which means if a person is in a hut, or he is living in poor condition, then he too must keep looking at the departure board. That one day they will be there. After that, if he's got good actions, then he will go to Jannah. So everyone is looking at the departure board. The person in the first class lounge doesn't say the street is very nice and comfortable. Why worry about the departure time there? In fact, if the person is delayed by a few hours, he begins to complain, although he's sitting in the first class lounge. Because he knows that he was got a destination, he's got to go there. So I said, what more nasihat do you want? That there is a departure. But that departure, at least there's a time there that you will depart at a certain time. And it can be delayed also. And you can go and bribe the person there for some better seats too. But there is another departure which we do not know about. What time it is going to be. Zindagi ka ajeeb hai visa, kab bula le khuda nahi maloom. और उसमें तौसी भी है गैर मुमकिन और मियाद उसकी नहीं मालूम. We don't know the duration of time, we don't know when it's going to expire. So that is the departure board. But then I told my friend that look, now there's a new board there, underground parking. All along we saw two boards, departure, arrival. But now at your Yans Matefa, they also got underground parking there. So every time that you go through there, look at those three boards, you don't need more nasihat after that.